Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy A24. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory in the dark red color. Okay, look completion. In completion we have only cable Type-C, two Type-C, without charger. We don't have charger in completion. Okay, device, and we have in completion key for SIM slot. That's all. Now talk about device. We have plastic body, triple camera on the back side. On the front side 6.4-inch display, on this side power key with fingerprint scanner, power button and warm buttons. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, we have display AMOLED resolution. Okay, we have display AMOLED, Super AMOLED display, resolution Full HD Plus, 90 Hz display. Okay, under the benchmark results we have CPU MediaTek Helio G99 and GPU Mali G57 MC2. Results 6GB RAM memory. Okay, and run GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. The game works very good, without lags and glitches on the max graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera, 50+5+2 megapixels. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.